I've been working with Givaudan for 23 years. So why I chose to work at Givaudan is kind of a story in itself. So my grandfather actually started at the East Hanover location, and then my father actually retired after 42 years with Givaudan. My name is John Casey. I'm the Maintenance and Reliability Manager at Givaudan, New Jersey. Givaudan is very supportive in the way that they build people up and allow them to take on different roles. But one of the things that they do is they offer a college reimbursement program. There's also been a lot of certificate programs that they allow people to go and get. When I was 18, I had an opportunity to take an entry-level position with Givaudan in the production area. And then I went to maintenance, became the planner scheduler. I learned a lot of the engineering and maintenance methodologies. And then I just recently got my reliability engineering certificate and took on the reliability program this year. Givaudan is very supportive in people development. Honestly, when you see the amount of efforts that people put into their work, that to me is rewarding. Every essence of you enriches our world. Join us.